Hey guys, it's Ricky Analog here. Going to do a quick trade recap. As always, here's the disclaimer. Make sure you understand this is just for educational, informational purposes only. It's not a solicitation to trade. Let's get into it. The trade was PRQR. And you can see, caught the fade in the morning and locked in. We're done with this. And the thesis of the trade, let's look at the daily. Here's what the daily looked like, guys. Big straight up move. Really thought this thing was starting to get extended and was definitely wanting to be watching for some downside on it. But with the price action being the way it has, you know, people have been watching this for the last few days for some downside, and it just hadn't come, right? So you had to have a trigger. And what was the trigger? For me personally, I was looking for the break of this where it came into the 5-minute 20. I wanted it under this 21.20. And when we got it, I actually wanted to be a little more patient and wait to see what happened at 21, and it just washed right through it. I ended up having to chase a bit, got in at 20.75, and was willing to add anything that popped back towards the 5-minute 20 up here around 21.40, 21.50. Obviously didn't get those. I took half off for a point, and then I was hoping to get 19 for the rest. It didn't quite get there on the first dip down to that area. I was actually at 19.05, 2 ticks away. This is a 5-cent ticker, and therefore that was the reason I covered at 19.30 when we pushed back up. I didn't want to risk this thing going back against me. I wanted to take those gains, and sure enough, those turned out to be pretty good covers as we are now pushing back up. I talked about this trade pre-market, and we also kind of guided the room through it as it was live, and I really highly suggest you guys come check us out over at stocktraders.net so you quit missing these trades, guys. This was a layup. All right, peace.